In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play The Sims 4 on Steam. Whether you're a seasoned player or new to the world of gaming, this guide will take you through the simple steps you need to start playing The Sims 4 in just 5 minutes right from your Steam account. First, if you haven't already, you need to open your Steam application on your computer. It's important to ensure that Steam is up to date so you can navigate all features smoothly. Once you launch Steam, you'll see the login screen. Here you need to click on the login button to access your account. For those who may not have an account yet, you'll need to create one by following the prompts for new user registration. If you already have an account, you simply need to enter your account name and password. Remember to keep your login details secure to protect your account from unauthorized access. Once you've entered your credentials, go ahead and click on Sign In to access your Steam homepage. Now that you've successfully logged in, you are on your Steam homepage. This is your gateway to accessing a world of games, and today we focus on downloading The Sims 4. On the Steam homepage, navigate to the Store section. This is where you can search for The Sims 4. Using the search bar, type Sims 4 and press Enter. Once you've found The Sims 4 in the search results, you're just a few clicks away from diving into the game. Since The Sims 4 is free to play, you can click on the Play Game button. This is a straightforward way to start experiencing the base game without any additional purchases. However, if you're interested in expanding your gameplay, Steam also offers bundles and content extension packs that you can browse. Delving into these might be worthwhile for more immersive gameplay. But to keep it simple today, let's just click on Play Game. After clicking to play, you'll be prompted to select a drive where you'd like to install the game. Choose the drive that most suits your storage needs and confirm the installation. Once selected, The Sims 4 will begin downloading. Keep an eye on the download progress in your Steam library. After the download and installation are complete, The Sims 4 will be listed in your Steam library ready for you to play. Just click on the play button and you're all set to step into the vibrant world of Sims. Enjoy your time building, creating and exploring endless possibilities in The Sims 4. Happy gaming.